right now as 41-12 bounces off the reef. They've moved from their starting position, gaining 3 points for their alliance. 94-77 the same way as the other bots for the Red Alliance have as well. It's 16-12 right now as we end autonomous. Now the human players have control of the bots as 85-77 dances around heading for the coral zone. 36-35, the Flying Legion, they're at the reef. They're pulling off those pieces of algae, setting them down to be processed a little later on as 94-77 dancing around the reef as well. 16-48, the G3 robotics team placing coral high worth 5. It's now 26-15 in favor of the Red Alliance. We've got 1:47 left to go. Still a lot of time for scoring as 94-77 gets into position to launch their algae up and into the barge. Oh, it bounces off back into the ocean floor. They pick up another piece of algae. They're going to get set up. They're going to try again. Here we go, 94-77. The Lambda team, they're in position. Oh, just a little bit short right there. All right, now they're getting repositioning themselves at 16-48. Our Alliance team member dances around the reef. They're looking for coral. They're going to place it. And there's a shot by the Lambda team, giving the Red Alliance another 4 points as it's 52-41 with 1:08 left to go. 36-35 at the reef, moving towards the coral zone as their Alliance partner on the other side of Eagle Bots, scoring high for 5 points as it's now 65-49 with 57 seconds left to go. 85-77, they're at the coral zone, getting that coral down the chute, and there's 94-77 Lambda scoring one more time as the Blue Alliance continues. It's now 74-69 as the Blue Alliance is getting ever closer to the Red Alliance with 37 seconds left to go. 69-25 with a piece of algae in their possession, heading over towards the processor. Going to try to process that algae worth 6 points apiece as now the Red Alliance jumps ahead a little bit more, but now the Blue Alliance strikes back as it's now 85-77 with 20 seconds left to go. Still a lot of scoring opportunity in the last 20 seconds as it's closer to 3-point swing right now. Now it's 5 as the Red Alliance takes the lead by 5 at 87-82. 16-48 up underneath the net at 94-77, launching and scoring that algae in the net. 16-48 bringing themselves up off of the ocean floor. That could be worth 12 points, and it looks like they may get a ranking point out of this. They're taking a look. No part of the robot can be touching the ocean floor after the match is ended. They'll take a look at that. Any part of the robot, that includes wiring, rubber pieces, anything touching the floor by the robot at the end of the match, they will not be credited with ascending towards the surface of the sea. All right, here we go in match number 38. Let's see, and the Red Alliance swimming strong as their fish are released with a score of 107-88. In that match, the Red Alliance was able to gain 3 ranking points for the victory. They gained the barge points up underneath the barge for gaining more than 14 points. They also completed their task in autonomous, as did the Blue Alliance, gaining one ranking point for that as well. All members of the Red Alliance moved up in the standings as 16-48 moves into the number 3 position.